Bismillah Rahman Rahim. My name is Hammad, and today I will discuss about IELTS Academic Reading Module. So, first of all, you have to know that in reading module there are total 60 minutes for you to complete the whole three passages. Overall, there would be three passages, and the marks distribution of first two passages is same, which is 13 marks, and the last passage would be for 14 marks. So this is how you can distribute your time, because the first passage is quite easy. So do you have to mostly you have to given just 16 to 17 minutes to the passage one, whereas passage 2 is concerned, it is moderate. That's why you have to give around 18 to 19 minutes, and last passage is very tough, and you have to give around 21 to 22 minutes, and in last 3 minutes you just have to revise your all MCQs. Is there any type of mistake or stuff like that? Okay, so this is how you can say about your reading module. In reading module there are different types of questions. Some of the questions are in order wise, but some of the questions are in not order. So it is very essential for you to remember which questions are in sequence. So overall there are 9 to 10 types of questions in reading. The first one here I talk about questions that always follow up the order sequence. Means some questions in that paragraphs question might be answers might be in sequence, like if you have reached to the MCQs number 1 correct answers, and then definitely the answer of question number 2 is in next lines. Okay, or also in next paragraph as well, but not above the right answer of answer number 1. Keep remember. So in all these types, your in paragraphs your answer should be in sequence wise. Keep remember this thing, right? So then we will have to discuss about the types of questions. The first one you can see here, the sentence completion, right? In sentence completion, what you have to do is you just have to complete the MCQs, and this might be one word or a number. Okay, so this is just like a fill in the blanks, and the same answer you will got in the paragraph, and this might be in sequence. Then the second type is summary completion. Okay, in this you have to complete the summary either in one word or a number. The answers in the paragraphs should be in order. Then there are some tough type of questions, and that questions are called as true false not given, as well as yes no not given. These questions are very tough for individuals, but how to tackle that we will also learn in our upcoming lectures. So in true false, either in yes no not given questions, they are also in order. This is very good point. And last is MCQs might be multiple choice with multiple answers, or with a single answer. If this is a single answer, so this is sequence wise, answer should be sequence wise in the paragraph. But if MCQs is multiple answers, so then your answers are not in sequence wise in your paragraphs, but your name of scientist or the name of individuals are in order. Keep remember this. And when we do some practical examples, so then you will know much more regarding these. Okay, but until now I'm just telling you which type of questions are coming in your IELTS academic. This is also for journal as well, but the marks distribution is same. Okay, so if you reach around 32 marks, then you will score 7 bands, right? And if you score 35, then you will reach to 7.5 bands, and if you reach 32, so definitely then 7 bands. So keep in mind, must secure above 32 marks, not less than. This is good for you, right? So questions that are not follow-up, that are in random, you have to pick up the answer either from one paragraph, then answer 2 should be in last paragraph, then answer 3 will be from paragraph 2. So random. This is very tough for many of the students. So these types of questions are matching paragraph headings, matching information to paragraph, matching features or names, or multiple choice question with multiple answers. So these types of questions are of random answers in the paragraph. So how to tackle this part is you just have to scan. What is scan? Scan means you have to find the clue words. First read the question statement, then find the clue words in the paragraph. Not read the whole paragraph in IELTS Academic. You just have to read your 30% of your paragraph by skimming and scanning. What does skimming means? You have to read fast like that. And scan means you have to watch those clue words which are in the question statement, right? Like clue word is 1938. So move on towards paragraph and scan for 1938. Where there is 1938, stop and then read. This is not essential, not a good habit to read all of the paragraphs in IELTS Academic. If you do this, then definitely you are unable to complete the second paragraph, because there are total 3 paragraphs and the time management is very important in IELTS reading. Okay, so keep remember this. In first one you are doing, it took 20 minutes in first, so don't worry, do some practice and practice. Make sure you will do first paragraph in 16 to 17, second paragraph in 18 to 19, and last paragraph you have to have some time, because last paragraph is somehow tough, 22 or 23 minutes, and last 2 to 3 minutes is just for you to just revise your all the answers, either there is any type of mistake or not. So that's all. In upcoming lectures we will discuss about one by one each type of reading module. Okay, so if you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.